welcome to our section today in SQL. In my last video, we used some SQL aggregate operators such as sum to perform some SQL queries. But today, we will introduce something new called predicate. So we're going to make use of an SQL predicate to perform some queries. So let's go. We already have some questions here on the screen, and today we are going to make use of a different database, the university database. So before you do anything, always remember to tell the system that I am using this database, use then the name of the database. So I'm going to run just this line of query telling the system that I'm using the university database. So now let's delve into solving the tasks we have here on the screen. So select all teachers whose name starts with A and is at least 3 characters in length. Okay, so we're going to use our normal select statement. Select all from teachers. We would have used select all from teachers if we have the teacher name in the teacher table, but we don't have the teacher name in the teacher table. So we're going to call the teacher name from the person table. Here we have the teacher name, surname, and the details of the teacher. So select all from the person table where role equals teacher, and it is not case sensitive, but I prefer writing my queries in uppercase, like writing the operators and in uppercase, but you can also use the lowercase. It is just your choice. So and name, like here, name starts with A, name like A, and is at least 3 characters in length. So we are going to use the underscore and then percent and then close and then we close the query line. Alright, so if I should run this query, it's going to fetch the teachers whose name starts with an A and is at least 3 characters in length. You can just row teacher and name. So that is it for this, and then let's delve into the second task. Return all teachers whose name starts with B and ends with S. Okay, we are basically doing the same thing here, but just something slightly different. Select, so just copied and pasted it here. Select all from person where role is teacher and name like. Name starts with B and ends with S. Okay, so we're going to remove the underscore. Name starts with B and then ends with S. Alright, so I'm going to run this line of query. I think there is no teacher that has this kind of name. Okay, so I'm going to call the teacher, the person table. Let's see what we have there. So you use the hash sign or naira sign to comment a query. Alright, so now we have the complete person table. Okay, so we have someone here, teacher. Okay, David. Let's use David. David, D and D. Alright, so I'm going to remove this, and then there you go. So I'm basically showing you how to retrieve values from your table. So it is not the case that the name must be David. It depends on the name of the person or the data you want to retrieve. All right, so let's go to the next query, which is the last task. Obtain the name of the teachers who are male and name starts with M. Okay. Obtain the name of the teachers who are male and their name starts with M. Okay. Select, let's use name. Select name from person where role equals teacher and gender equals male and name starts with M and name, like, remember we are using the predicates here, name like starts with M and then close it. Alright, so if I should run this line, so this is it. This is how to retrieve data using SQL predicates and operators. All right, so see you in my next video, and we will take a look at some nested queries. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. All right, bye.